Hello, welcome to Internet Culture. I am your instructor, Mark Tasman. To contact the Internet Culture team, send an email to ic-team@uwm.edu. Someone will be with you within 24 hours. We have also created a Google Calendar to help you stay organized and informed. I highly encourage you to import that electronic calendar to whatever calendaring system you're using. All of the deadlines are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you wake up in a day and it's a Tuesday or Thursday, you know that you have something to do. The text that we will be using is called, wait for it, Internet Culture, written by me, published by Great River Learning Press. So you'll be using and accessing that textbook as an interactive electronic text. You'll access it through the grtep.com interface. That's where you can acquire and access your book. If you're having any trouble, any technical difficulties, trouble logging on, any trouble with the online publication with the interactive electronic textbook, please contact the Great River Learning, the GRL web support team. There's a link in the syllabus. There's also a link at the bottom of the GRTEP page. They will help you. They strive to get back to you within 24 hours with any questions or problems. There are 4 units to this course. Each one has a pair of chapters, and each unit corresponds to one of the 4 essays that you'll be writing. Each chapter has text plus images plus links to videos, audio, articles, and interactive assignments like the essay builders. These essay builders are meant to give you a chance to pause and reflect on the information from the chapter, but they also have a benefit, and that is when you go to write the essay, you can go back to the essay builders when you save them, and you can see what you've written and taken notes and use those to help formulate your essay drafts. At the end of each chapter, when you get to the bottom and click Next, you'll go to a glossary page that has all of the key terms and concepts from the chapter. At the end of that page, when you click Next, it'll take you to the quiz page. Hint, anything that from the text that is emboldened or in a list is fair game for the quizzes. That includes the glossary items. Quizzes which you have on each chapter are made up of 5 questions from those key concepts and terms, and you have 5 minutes to answer those 5 questions. Don't panic. You have 3 chances to get the best score that you possibly can, and we only count your highest score. What we do recommend is that you take at least 5 minutes in between quiz attempts so that you're not just pounding that material, that you actually pause, go back, reread some of the material. Maybe you can watch one of the videos and just think about it. You're not going to necessarily see exactly the same 5 questions. There's a larger pool and they come randomly. The exams are just like the quizzes. They cover 4 chapters. So you basically we're taking 4 quizzes and we're mashing them into one exam. You'll have 20 questions and 20 minutes to answer those questions. The exam you only get to take once, but there are 3 exams, so we count only the 2 highest exams. There's exam 1, which takes the material from chapters 1 through 4, exam 2, which takes the material from chapters 5 through 8, and then there is a third, what we call the optional cumulative final exam, which actually has 40 questions. You have 40 minutes. It's basically exam 1 and exam 2 pushed together. So that's your chance to redeem yourself. If you missed one of the exams or if you really screwed one up, forgiveness or benefit of the doubt. This concludes part 1 of the intro video, be sure to watch the second part, which explains more about what is going on with the essays.